Alright, hey everybody, this is DJ Powers Family Farm. It's just going to be a quick kind of update video. It's been a while since I made one, so I want to kind of see the herd and see what everybody's up to. Everybody's nice and fat, incredibly healthy. Resident buck here, he's doing good. Girls are doing good, everyone's doing great. Nice, we're getting ready for the winter time, so I'm starting to figure out kind of how much hay I'm going to need to get me through the winter. And probably do kind of a more of a controlled feed. I've been kind of free feeding in that little shed barn thing. You've all kind of seen how I do. I kind of stack it on the middle and let them eat as they please, but they're really going through it. So I don't know if I'm gonna have to kind of adjust my schedule on how I feed them. But if we can get a whole good shot of everybody here. But everyone, okay, he's still trying to nibble at me. Huh? What? What do you want? But he's starting, you can tell he's coming from great stock. He's so stocky. Yeah, he's so stocky. He's a good looking buck. Real good looking buck. Get away from me. But no, everyone's doing good. And I'm just out here I'm gonna do a quick feed check. They need some hay and they need some grain. Their water's doing good. But I know it's just been a hot minute since I made a video. So I thought I would just show what everybody's up to. But I think what everyone's going to notice from earlier videos is that the way I've kind of changed up I kind of bumped up a little bit of their grain and then been maybe do a little more free feeding, and I also opened up more pasture. And I know that just more pasture has led to more body weight. Obviously, I didn't realize that maybe I was overgrazing what I already had. So after I opened up that other half, I noticed that their weight kind of became more stable, and they got that nice kind of round belly on them. Again, on the whole, you can tell but if you remember her, she was real petite, and she's actually got some weight on her now. She actually looks kind of almost like a little stocky, but I mean, not as much as old white girl there, Luna. She would put some weight on, and obviously Toby, he's stocky as can be, but Babel's huge. She's huge. She's way bigger than the first time I brought her here. And obviously our resident weather goats, Willie, Waylon, and Cash. If you can see the belly here, they're here. Look at that belly. They're putting great weight, and those boys they graze better than the rest of them. I don't know. Their mom taught them well, I guess. But everyone here is just doing good. So just a kind of a quick update. I got, like I said, going to do the math and get the barn stocked with hay for the winter and kind of make preparations for the winter. I'm probably going to expand a little bit more on the pasture because I'm hoping, because they have been, hopefully he starts doing his job. He might be a little too young. I'm kind of thinking about bringing in a mature buck to do some breeding, and I'll probably have to build another thing just to kind of separate. I'll probably put Toby and the buck together in a whole nother area. But that's all that's going on at Powers Family Farm right now. Work's been busy, so I apologize about not being as frequent with my postings, but I'm still here, and the channel is going to continue to update. The frequency just might not be as good as I would like. Yeah, I might end up doing some more of just kind of a semi-daily like chit chat. Maybe we'll just come on and just talk about whatever, however I'm feeling. So go ahead and put in the comments what else you'd like to see from me or hear about or anything at all. You know, I'm open to suggestions. So that's kind of all we got going on right here. Just everyone's healthy, everyone's fed. Waiting for that first kidding season so we can get some babies on the ground. But hope you all missed me. I missed you guys, and we'll talk to you real soon. All right.